after, is there like a Katrina disaster or situations like that? Is there a heightened paranormal activity?
Like Katrina, as in after
Disasters, a hurricane,
Yeah, we
or
actually did the house in New Orleans that was really affected. It's now Bloody Mary's haunted museum. Wow. The guy ended up murdering his wife there and like cooking her in the oven. It was bad. And we did a whole investigation there. Yeah. He was there. It was like Paranormal Lockdown or something. Season finale of the first season or something.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's totally bizarre. That's why I say some of these places that you go into are really, really bizarre. You know,
These stories are really difficult, I feel like,
Yeah.
for them to even make up.
it's not always tragedy in a lot of these places. You know, there's some have because they're old, they have history no matter what.
Right.
So one of the most haunted places in the United States is Gettysburg.
Yeah.
And you know when I talked about emotion? Well, forget how many, it was like 50,000 people died in one weekend. I mean, it was way up there, you know. So, so there's a place that you go to, and it's just overwhelming with activity. Yeah.
okay.
But again, a lot of traumatic energy happened there. So
Traumatic energy causes a residue of paranormal activity.
generally believed, yeah. It's not always the rule. You can go to a library that's a brand new building
Because I
and
feel like this whole
paranormal. But then again, some will
and like
argue
the whole
that
paranormal was like
some will argue that it's the land. Is the land?
that's what I feel.
That's like the Philippines.
Like,
It's
Yeah, I know
paranormal.
people who've gone to the Philippines and got tons of great stuff down there.
I've seen a lot of weird stuff there. I just
Yeah.
got interviewed by, you ever heard of Spooky and Radio? Or Big Honda?
No, but like I said, I knew a guy that went down there a couple of years ago,
There's a lot of paranormal.
and he hired a camera crew, and they went through a children's hospital or something, an orphanage that was abandoned, and it was just totally loaded. I mean, there was actually full-bodied apparitions there.
Yeah.
So I can give you my website if you need.
for sure. Thanks.
And Jim, is certain times of the year, is Halloween, is that the highest time of paranormal time of the year? Is that, or just Halloween? Is that Halloween?
That's the candy companies
The
making
Witching
that up.
Hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a lot of great information, a lot of clarification on things as far as like, debunking stuff. Because a lot of the times me and my boyfriend are sitting there watching these shows and we're like, that's not an orb. That's a fly. Debunked.
That's a moth, right?
Yeah, it's like just debunked.
It's a dust.
Debunked.
It's dust.
Debunked.
So do you have a book ready to go there, Jim?
Oh yeah.
Now, I don't know if I'm going to do a book. Maybe someday.
Okay. Thank you, Jim. Thank you.
No pun.
Okay.